Galleries are a great way to display images and photos on your site. To create a gallery, go to Add Media in your post editor. On the side, you will see an option called Create Gallery. All your previously uploaded images will be available here. Just select the ones you want to include and click Create a New Gallery. This brings us to the gallery editor. Here, you can give your pictures captions, as well as change the order of appearance by dragging them around. By default, galleries are set to Attachment Page, which allows users to flip through your images. You can also set this to Media File, which will display the image at full resolution and bypasses any of the theme's settings. If you only want the gallery viewable from the post, you can set this to None. You can also specify how many columns you want your images to be in. Checking this option will display your images in a random order every time the page is opened. When you are finished, click Insert Gallery. You will be able to see a preview of your gallery right in your editor. If you ever need to edit your gallery, simply click it and select the edit icon.